Hello, kitty bums and kitty babs, shankus and the shankus. Finally, welcome to lesson 5.6. Yes, lesson 5.6. Actually, not a really lesson, it's a conclusion. This is the time that I get to take a video of myself and show you, talk to you directly rather than showing you the little white screen with Python code. But I hope you guys really enjoyed this chapter. A little summary of what we did. We learned how to input text with the raw input function. We know that we can have our users interact with our program by calling the raw input function and then getting that information, saving into a variable, and then deciding later whether we just want to print to them. We remember that we used that in the guessing game in chapter 1. We also learn about how to add a prompt message, so we can say raw input into parentheses the message that we want to display to the user, right? You guys remember we did that. We also learn about how to import numbers. So you know how I said by default, if you call raw input, the function raw input, everything that gets returned is a string. And I said that if you want raw input to be a float or an int, you have to wrap it around the raw input function. I hope you guys remember that. Um, I also showed you guys the importance of the comma and the print, the additional importance of the comma and the print in Python. I said if you have a comma, you can print multiple statements on the same line with it. Rather than having multiple lines, you can have everything on one line separated by commas. Also, finally, we learned about how to import from the web. And I said you guys shouldn't be too worried if you don't understand the complexity of how or what happened. And I said we're going to be learning more about it later in the future lessons. But basically, inputting from the web is just like the web is giving us some information, and then we are deciding on what we want to do with it. That's a little bit complicated, but I want to tell you because you guys are on your journey to become really the smartest people on the planet, discovering whatever with Python. I'm super excited, and I hope you guys enjoyed chapter 5. To test your knowledge once again, I have the section on the try it out for you to test out, what you know and what you've learned. I hope you guys really enjoyed chapter 5, and I hope you guys have taken something away from chapter 5, and I hope you're one step, closer to become that your Python, that dream Python programmer that you want to be. But until then, I'll see you guys in the next video. Have fun, whatever you're doing. Be good to your parents, enjoy, and every now and then take some break from Python. And I'll see you later. Peace out.